Good morning, students. We will start on page number 44, Terms of Credit, from your chapter Money and Credit. When there is a loan or a credit which a borrower is taking from the lender, it must has a rate of interest which the borrower needs to pay to the lender along with the repayment of entire principal amount. Lenders may demand collateral against loans. What does it mean, collateral? Collateral is a security or a guarantee that the borrower will repay the loan. The guarantee of paying the loan back to the lender. So collateral, it can be land papers, or it can be the papers of a particular building, papers of a vehicle, or animals also in some cases. These are all deposited with the banks as a guarantee, and it is there with the lender till the time the borrower is making the entire repayment of the principal amount and the interest. So when the borrower pays back everything, he will get back his collateral. And if the borrower fails to pay, what happens? The lender can sell that asset. The bank is the lender. So the bank can sell that asset and use that amount to recover the loan amount which it has given to a person. So this is clear with all. Moving on to the house loan. House loan is, as given in the book, there is a lady Megha and she has taken a loan of 5 lakhs from the bank. We will not take it as house, we will take it as a car, because 5 lakhs you cannot buy a house. So the interest is 12% which she has to pay on the loan, and the loan is repaid in 10 years in monthly installments. Every month she has to pay a particular amount. If you will make some calculations, you will understand it will be around 10,000 per month. So Megha had to submit to the bank the documents, many documents which are being shown to the bank that she is employed at some place, then the employment records, salary which is she is getting, she will give her bank record, and these are all things taken by the bank to see whether a person who is taking a loan will he or she will be able to repay the loan back or not. These all things are taken for this purpose only. If a person is earning only 10,000, will he be able to pay 10,000 as a monthly installment? No. So his salary should be his or her salary should be more than the monthly installment amount the person has to repay. So bank uses all these things, all these details, and the bank also use collateral from Megha. They take papers of the new house as collateral. The house which in this case a house, but I am talking about a car. So the paper of the car, the papers of the new car will be kept by the bank until Megha is able to repay the entire loan amount along with the interest. So you will fill the details of loan amount here, duration of loan that is mentioned in the example, documents which are required, rate of interest, all these things are. Mode of repayment is monthly, collateral is her paper of the new car, loan amount is given here, that is 5 lakh, duration is 10 years, and interest is 12%. Documents required are her employment records, bank records are required. So all, what is the terms of credit? This was the topic in the beginning. Interest rate, collateral, and documentation which are required, and the mode of repayment. All these things together are known as the terms of credit. So you will learn this definition, and you will also learn the definition of collateral given in your books. These two are very important in this topic. Thank you, students.